Hi, my name is Tony Jorgensen. Today we're going to cook beef brisket. The first thing that we need to do to cook beef brisket is we're going to smoke it for at least 12 hours. So I'm going to talk to you about smokers. Of course, because we're a restaurant, we have a commercial smoker that smokes about 1,800 pounds of meat. It's by Southern Pride. But you can go to anywhere and find a home smoker, whether it's a locker or a tin smoker. They have several of them anywhere in an outdoor camping facility or a place like Cabela's. But today I'm going to show you what our smoker looks like. I have the wood going. We bring our smoker temperature up to about 225 degrees. Then what we do is we place the beef brisket on the rack, and I'll just show you what it looks like in here. We smoke about 1,800 pounds of meat in a week. So what I'm going to do is get the brisket out of the refrigerator and throw it in the smoker real quick.